everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am back with an all new makeup tutorial for those who wear glasses, and in today's look I'm going to be doing a vintage glam makeup tutorial. I love how this look turned out. I love the bold red lip with the winged eyeliner, and if you guys want to see how I created this look, then let's get started. And before we do, don't forget to click that subscribe button if you are new here and want to see more trendy videos from me. And if you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up. And now let's get started. Alrighty, so as always, I already went ahead and popped in my contact lenses. I applied my liquid foundation, my setting powder, concealer, filled in my eyebrows, all of that. That way this just kind of speeds up the process of showing you all how to do this makeup tutorial. So the first thing I'm going to be doing is priming my eyelids, and I am going for my Urban Decay eyeshadow primer potion, and this is in the shade Eden, which is a matte eyeshadow primer. So I just put a little bit on my fingertips and then blend that all over the eyelid. Now that is all blended, I am going to be applying some eyeshadow next, and I'm using my Urban Decay Naked 2 eyeshadow palette. And the color I'm going to be starting off with first is called Verb, which is right here. It's a light shimmery champagne color. And I'm going to put this all over my eyelid. Next shade I'm using from this palette is called Tease, which is a light soft brown matte color, and I'm only going to be putting this on the outer corners of my eyes just to give it a little definition, and instead of sweeping it, I'm just going to be tapping it on. And since we are going to be having a bold red lip, I do want to keep the eyes simple, so we're not going to be adding any more color to the eyelids. We want to keep this simple so that most of our attention is focused on the red lip. Honestly though, I love a nice vintage look. If I could choose any decade to live in, I probably would choose either the 1940s or the 1950s, just because I love the hair and makeup during that time. And the outfits as well, they're super cute. But I just really love how the girls did their hair and their makeup. Speaking of hair, I don't really think this hairstyle that I did is anything crazy, but it literally took me like 45 minutes just to do this little hairstyle, which is inspired by like the 1950s. And I did my best because I'm not that great with hair, but just doing that made me realize, like, wow, these women must have put a lot of time and effort into doing their hair, because it took so long, 45 minutes just for this. So I could just imagine like a full-on updo taking them like an hour or two at least. But I think it's so pretty, and I would definitely pick that era to live in if I had a choice. Next, I'm going to do my waterline with this white eyeliner pencil. And now to line my tight line with a black gel eyeliner pencil. Now I'm going to be taking a light brown eyeliner pencil and lining my bottom lash line. So now I'm going to be curling my eyelashes. And while I was getting ready to film this video, I was listening to the Cry Baby soundtrack. I don't know if you guys ever seen that movie before, but if you haven't, you should check it out because the music in that movie is awesome. It's kind of like a musical movie, I guess you could say. But the songs are so catchy, and I love that movie. It's kind of like a cheesy comedy movie with Johnny Depp in it. It's so good, and I love that movie. Alrighty, so for the moment that I'm most scared to do, which is the winged eyeliner, I'm going to be using my NYX Epic Ink Liner. And this is in a black shade. And I'm going to be doing my eyeliner off camera just because I have to get up close with my mirror. And honestly, I am still not the best at applying liquid winged liner. So I will be back once that is applied. So this is probably as good as it's going to get. I just figured with wing liner, I think I did an okay job, but they're kind of like eyebrows, like you can't get them looking like twins. They're more like sisters. So moving on, the next step I'm going to be doing is applying some mascara, and I'm going to be using my Too Faced Damn Girl Mascara, which I absolutely love. It makes my lashes so long and full, and I can apply as many coats as I want without it clumping. And now to apply some blush, I'm going to be taking this light pink color right here in my e.l.f. Quad blush palette, and this is in the shade Light. And I'm taking the lightest color, which is a pink color, and I'm going to be applying that to my cheeks. And now for the fun part, to add our bold red lipstick. Today I am using Maybelline in the shade Siren and Scarlet. And this is a matte lipstick. Actually smells like cherry Kool-Aid. And to finish off this look, I'm going to be spraying my NYX Matte Setting Makeup Spray. And here is the completed look. I hope you all enjoyed this makeup tutorial. And as you can see, it does look very snazzy without glasses on. So this look also works for those who do not wear glasses. It is so simple. And now I'm going to go put on my glasses so you guys can see the final look with glasses on.